Hi everyone, today is the 12th day of 30 days new word learning challenge. So today is second session for the slang word. So I'm going to stop after it because I added two session because I think that slang word is also important in our general conversation because new Gen Z generation are using very frequently this whole slang word. So first word is salty. Salty means being upset, bitter or angry about something. For example, she got salty when she lost the game. So in this response, you can say, "Don't be salty just because I own." Another two example also, he was salty after missing the concert. Another example, stop being so salty about the little mistake. Don't be calm. Next, lit. Lit means something exciting, something amazing or interesting or excellent. In that term, you can use. Suppose that party last night was lit. Her performance was totally lit. This new song is so lit, I can't stop listening. The game was lit from the starting to finish. Means it was so interesting game. So if you feel something interesting or something amazing, that time you can use the lit. Ghosting. Ghosting, it's a very common word. Ghosting means suddenly cutting all the communication without explanation. For example, I thought we were friends, but he started ghosting me. He started ghosting means he started to cutting all the communication without any explanation. Next example, she is ghosting all her contact after the breakup. Ghosting is so rude. Just say if you are not interested. Another example, he disappeared without a word, totally ghosting. So ghosting word you observe someone had a breakup story. So in that context, he tried to use this word or based on the situation. Or in the comedy, so you observe this word. I observe in the one comedy, stand-up comedy. So next, flex. Flex means something do the show off thing. Try to show off. For example, you can say he loved to flex his new car on Instagram. Or stop flexing your grades. It's annoying. Another example, she flexed her cooking skill at the dinner party. Means she is trying to show off कि I have cooking skill. Another example, that watch is a serious flex. Means seriously he is trying to flex the his watch. In that context you can use. Next. Next is vibe. Vibe means you can say atmosphere, a feeling or atmosphere or the energy of the place or situation you can say. Means good vibe. Generally people use the good vibe. Vibe means it's atmosphere which are very comfortable and it's a feeling happy moment. For example, this cafe has a chill vibe. Chill vibe means good environment and good atmosphere. I'm not getting a good vibe from the that guy. Means that guy is not, your vibe is not matching, generally people say. The party has such a fun vibe. Fun vibe means fun atmosphere. She is always giving off positive vibe. Someone is always positive, so in that term you can use swedge. Swedge means boldly or brutally honest without holding back. Means someone directly speak on your face whatever is. So in that term you can use the swedge. Swedge means, for swedge example is that comeback was so swedge. Or she is a swedge when it come to debate, means she become the more bold when it's come on the debate or the argument. Next example, his roast was totally swedge but funny. Another example, don't be afraid to be swedge something. Next, FEMO. FEMO is very common among the Gen Z generation. So it meaning is anxiety about the missing exciting event or the some exciting exciting event or you can say any concert. Suppose it is generally use this word in the term of the some concert or some important event you are going to missing. You are have feeling to I am going to miss. So that whatever feeling came at that time, so that feeling is a FOMO. For example, I have serious FOMO about that concert. Means I have the serious I can miss that concert. Social media gives me FOMO all the time. Or another example, don't let FOMO face you into uncomfortable situation. She stayed at home but had the major FOMO afterward. Next, slay. Slay means to do something exceptionally well or look amazing. For example, she slayed her the presentation today. She slayed her presentation today means she present very well or the she try to present the well. Next, you are slaying that outfit means try to look better. So in that condition, you can say you are slaying that outfit or your outfit. He slayed the competition with his skills. Slay the day with confidence. So these are all the word about these are the example about the slay. Next is bet. Bet means agreement, a confirmation or okay sound good. For example, you are coming to the party. Bet. Yeah, bet you can use the bet you are coming to party. Bet I will pick you up at a 7 means you are making confirmations surely I will come to pick you. Don't worry. Want to grab the lunch later? Bet or you can use the bet before to also sentence. Suppose bet he said he do the help and the I watch like bet. So in this way you can use the this all slang and it's very popular among the Gen Z and the new generation. So try to know this type of slang and try to collect the more other slang word and you try to make sentence. At least try to create the one sentence on the one slang word and comment in the comment box. I will check and let you know. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and visit my channel if you wanted to learn the more words, new words. Thank you.